Hi, it's Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer. Today I was only going to do one quick tip video, but it became rather long, so not so quick tip. And part of it only applies to pro account holders. So I thought I'd split it into two, and you'll get two quick tips this week. This quick tip is all about the changes on the Canva Home Screen and the Canva Design Screen. If you were wondering where the apps have moved to or how you now print it, because everything seemed to be missing from where it was, this video will show you where they've gone. Here we are in my Canva Pro account. And first of all, I'm going to show you where the apps are. They've now moved to where it says here, Discover Apps. So they're on your front screen. So I'm going to click on there. And you can see it starts with all the new apps. There's different ways to import your media. You can bring it in from all these different options, from Dropbox, which can be quite useful, or Google Photos if you're storing things there. If you do the Discover Content tab, there are loads under here as well. Character building, which is fun to do, and I will show you how to use. Draw, I've done a video on quite recently. And there are lots of other things. You can add Google Maps into your designs. And you can add YouTube videos as well. Lots of photo editing options. Auto enhance, autofocus, background removal, which we covered in another video. I will cover all of these eventually in our quick tip videos. And then your options to share and publish. So lots of options here. And then at the end, you have all apps, which just shows them all in alphabetical order. But for you, are the ones that you've probably used before, the new ones at the top. That's given you a view of the Discover Apps button. I'm now going to go into the design screen. So I go back to Home. And I'll click on a recent design, just so I can show you how things have changed. One of the things that has changed a lot is the share options. This used to be download and share, but now it's quite different. I can add people, groups or teams to this design, and I can restrict my link sharing and copy the link. I'm creating templates recently, so you can do the template link is there. This is where you now download, which had gone missing. You have all the download options that you've always had. And obviously some of these, like SVG, are for pro users, but they're now under that download tab under share. And I can save my download settings, which is not a pro feature, it's a free feature. And go to share on social. And here you can see all the different ones. Schedule, which is the content scheduler, so I could forward schedule my posts, is a pro option. But all the others are part of your free Canva account. So if I scroll further down this, you can also see that I can go to print your design. And in case you didn't know, Canva has a printing option. You can print your design onto any of these products. And I've used it for business cards, and they've looked really great quality and a really good price as well. And then click on the More button, and this gives me everything. So I can copy it to the clipboard, save it to a folder, I can embed it. All these other options are here. And these are a lot of the apps that we've already seen. That's all I was going to cover today, is just where things have disappeared to. See you next week.